How to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, you will see a plus icon on the bottom. Tap on it and from here you can create a reel. On the bottom, you'll see a reel section. You can tap on the reel section from where you can select a video. Now select the landscape video and then tap on next. After doing that, you can tap on next again. From here, you can edit your, reel. I'll just remove the voice from here and tap on next. So there is nothing really extra that you actually need to do to upload a landscape video. So all you have to do is just go through with the upload process. Now you can add anything that you want here and then tap on share. After you tap on share, it will start sharing your Instagram reel, and after it's posted, you can check it out that it's still a landscape video. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.